Unraveling the Myth, the Meaning of A Chimera. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of expressions and their origins. In this episode, we're unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, a chimera. So, if you're ready to add some mythical flair to your English vocabulary, let's get started. A chimera originates from Greek mythology. A chimera was a fire-breathing creature with the head of a lion, the body of a goat, and the tail of a serpent. But how did a mythical beast become a common English phrase? In modern English, when we refer to something as a chimera, we're not talking about monsters from ancient stories. Instead, we use this term metaphorically to describe something that is wildly imaginative, implausible, or dazzlingly complex. Essentially, a fantasy that is unlikely to become reality. Understanding a phrase also means knowing how to use it in context. Let's look at some examples. Conceptual application. Her dream of living on Mars was a chimera, beautiful but unrealistic. In literature, the novel's plot is a chimera, blending historical events with futuristic predictions. In everyday conversation, his plan for a self-cleaning house seems like a chimera. It's a nice idea but not practical. Using a chimera adds a layer of sophistication to your language. It suggests that you recognize the allure of an idea while also acknowledging its unattainability. Understanding the nuances of phrases like a chimera can enrich your English learning journey. Here are a few points to keep in mind. Tone. It can carry a tone of criticism or skepticism when referring to someone's plans or ideas. Formality. It's considered a literary or formal phrase, so it's more common in written English or formal speech. Figurative language. A chimera is a prime example of figurative language, where words are used in an imaginative way to express something beyond the literal meaning. Thank you for joining us as we explored the phrase, a chimera. It's a testament to how the English language can be as colorful and complex as the myths from which it draws. We hope this video has illuminated this fascinating expression for you and that you're excited to use it in your own conversations. Until next time, keep enjoying the journey of English learning.